Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and what better way to celebrate than chocolate? Today we are making my favorite, chocolate chip muffins.
Oh, I love this recipe. It is so easy to make. I can make them with my eyes closed.
Right, Jean. I have a blindfold. Prove it.
To start, we're going to line a muffin tin with muffin cups. Okay, great.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Once you've lined your muffin tin with muffin cups, you want to spray it lightly with cooking oil so they don't get stuck. Next, grab a big bowl. And to the bowl, you're going to add 1.5 cups of flour. Now to your bowl, add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Next, we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Yeah?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay. Now add 1/2 cup of melted butter.
What's next, Jean?
Now to your bowl, you want to add 2 whole eggs. Now to your batter, add 3/4 cups of whole milk. This is so easy.
Yeah.
Now you want to take your whisk and whisk it all together.
That's it. Good job.
All done.
Good job, Jean. What's next?
Last, we're going to add 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. So once you've stirred in those chocolate chips, it's time to add our batter to our muffin cups.
Why don't I do that, Jean?
Well, it's about time you did something, Rach. We're going to bake these at 400 degrees for 15 minutes.
I think I'll do the oven bits.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
Yeah. So once your muffins are out of the oven, let them cool before devouring. They're beautiful. See, Rach, I told you I can bake these with my eyes closed.
That's right, Jean. You did such a good job.
I'm really better than I thought.
Yeah, I know. No help from me at all.
I'm like pro.
Right here. Come and get it. It's like feeding the seals. That didn't go as I planned.
You have more?
Yeah, okay. Here. Ready?
What?